Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Only Bio. Presenting up the MCQs on the chapter Skeleton and Motion. In this segment, I'm going to present the MCQs from 16 to 20 on skeleton and locomotion. Friends, I'm going to upload as many MCQs as possible so that you get a good practice on this chapter as well. Do check with the playlist. I have already uploaded the important points from this particular chapter. Question number 16. Low level of calcium ions in the muscles results in dash. A. Rapid spasms. B. Wild contractions. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. And the correct answer for this question is C. Both A and B. Question number 17. Where is troponin found during muscle contraction? A. Myosin filament. B. Meromyosin. C. Tropomyosin. D. T tubule. And the correct answer is tropomyosin. Question number 18. There are 7 cervical vertebrae in almost dash. A. All vertebrates. B. All amphibians. C. All reptiles. D. All mammals. And the correct answer for this question is D. All mammals. Question number 19. During contraction of skeletal muscle, which of the following does not occur? A. The length of isotropic band shortens. B. The length of the anisotropic band shortens. C. The distance between two successive Z lines decreases. D. The length of Henson's zone shortens. And the correct answer for this question is B. The length of the anisotropic band shortens. This is something which never occurs because the length of the A band, that is anisotropic band, it remains unchanged during the contraction of the skeletal muscle. Question number 20. Find the mismatch. A. Amoeboid movement leukocytes. B. Spermatozoa cilia. C. Hydra tentacles. D. Euglena flagella. And the mismatch here is B. Spermatozoa cilia, because spermatozoa possess a tail-like structure which more or less acts as a flagellum. Friends, hope you're following this series. Thank you so much for being with me.